In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to your Wix website. Customizing fonts can significantly enhance the appearance of your site, making it more aligned with your brand identity. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can make your site truly unique. First, you need to log into your Wix account. Open up your web browser and go to wix.com. Once you are at the home page, find the Login section and enter your login credentials. It's important to make sure you have access to the website you are working on. After you have logged in successfully, you'll be directed to the dashboard where all your sites are listed. Next, locate the website you wish to edit. On the dashboard, you'll see the option to select an edit site. Click on that. This will take you into the specific site editor for the website you're working on. From there, click on Design Site. This option is essential because it's where the main editing tools are housed, allowing you to modify various aspects of your website's appearance. Now you're ready to start customizing your fonts. You should be in the Wix website editor at this point. What you want to do is click on any text on your theme. Clicking the text activates the text editing tools. The next thing you'll do is find and click on Edit Text. Doing so opens up a panel that allows you to modify the appearance of the text on your site. Here's the crucial part. Once in the text editing panel, locate and click on the Font Type section. This is where you'll choose what kind of font style you want to apply to your text. Wix provides a vast array of fonts to choose from, so take your time to browse through them. Select a font type that best suits the feel and purpose of your website. After choosing your font, you can then select the font size, ensuring that your text is both visible and aesthetically pleasing. But it doesn't stop there. Wix gives you more options to further customize your text. You'll notice additional choices available such as adding effects, adjusting character spacing, implementing vertical text, and optimizing for SEO. Feel free to experiment with these to see which amplifies your site's design concept the best. Lastly, if you're experimenting but decide to return to the original look, Wix has an option to reset to the theme's default settings. Simply click on Reset to Theme to undo any changes and revert to the initial design. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized fonts on your Wix website, making it stand out with a personalized touch. Don't hesitate to play around with various styles until you find the perfect match that embodies your unique brand voice. Good luck and happy designing!